Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install mods in Minecraft. Okay, first things first, in your browser, navigate to files.minecraftforge.net to download Forge, a modding platform. On the left, you'll see various Minecraft versions. Choose whatever your desired version is. Clicking on a version allows you to download the latest or recommended Forge version for that Minecraft version. Click Installer to start the Forge download. Once downloaded, double-click the installer file, or right-click and open with Java. In here, choose Install Client and wait for the installation to finish. A window will then confirming a successful installation should appear. In here, open your Minecraft launcher, select Forge from the version dropdown, and launch the game. You might see a message about the installation being modified, but do not worry, because this is normal and pressing OK won't cause any harm. In the game's main menu with Forge selected, you'll notice a Mods tab. Clicking on it reveals details about the version of Minecraft and Forge you are using. To access the Mods folder, click Open Mods folder. Download mods from trusted sources like CurseForge, Minecraft Forum, or Planet Minecraft. And lastly, ensure the mods match the version of Forge you were using so there will be no incompatibility. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now install mods in Minecraft. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.